Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I'm just finishing up with this Craftsman Lawn Tractor. I removed the starter, cleaned that up, serviced that, got it moving real good. It was sort of stuck pretty good, so that wasn't working. It had a dead battery. It had a broken battery connection on there. The cable end that connects to the battery was broke, so I crimped a new brass fitting on there. I can show you how to do that in another video. Save you from having to replace your battery cable when the connection breaks. So anyways, I've removed and cleaned the carburetor. I showed you a video of that. There was some ethanol in there, but for the most part, it was pretty clean. The gas tank was pretty clean. I don't see anything else wrong with this. I was going to open that up and get into the starter solenoid and either service that or replace it. But I'm going to see if I can start it now. And if it's working, I'm not going to even mess with it. So I checked the oil. The oil is fine. I actually put just a little bit in there, but it's pretty clean. So I'm going to wait until I run it a couple times and then I'll replace the oil. And sorry, I'm dealing with allergies, so I'm kind of stuffed up here. So, and I put a new oil filter or a new fuel filter in there. And let me see what else. I think that's about it. It looks pretty clean. So, I need to connect the spark plug. I didn't service the spark plug, so I'm hoping it's fine. But I just removed the spark plug wire just so it doesn't accidentally start when I'm working on it. So I'll go ahead and see how this thing starts up and see if it runs good, and then engage that mower deck, and then engage the go forward and go backwards pedal and see how that works out. So let's see here. I have to hit the choke on this thing and make sure everything's out of my way here. I do a quick pre-flight with the battery connected. I put fuel in it as well when I check the oil. Just to engage the blades. I'm going to make sure that's disengaged. It's in neutral. Got the clutch in. Have it on choke. And let's see what happens here. Well, I think that battery's still kind of dead. So I'm going to have to put a new charge on it, and then we'll try it again in a little bit. Okay, I've got the battery charger on there. I think it's going to need a new battery. It's oh yeah, I didn't even check the date. This is 217, so it's an old battery. So that thing has been sitting a while. So I'm going to put a new battery on it, but I'm going to see if I can just put a boost on it here now and see if I can get it started and at least get it moved out of the shop now, so I can get a different project in here, and then I'll deal with that other Craftsman back there in a little while, another day. So again, let's see, put it on choke. I'm gonna see if I can start it without having to be on the tractor. Let's see what happens here. Fuel down there. Well, it starts to run. It's a little loud. It needs to do upwards. Let's see here. See what happens. I'm going to engage the mower deck. I'm going to rev it up and engage the mower deck. See how that works. 2 thumbs up on the mower deck. Now let's see if it'll go backwards. Goes forward. Oh yeah, that works really good. Score one good Craftsman. See you later.